Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present you the secret of Caspian Sea relation with Hinduism. So there is a Caspian Sea in Central Asia. So earlier this Caspian Sea is nothing but Kashyapamira. So Kashyapa Sagar is called as Kashyapa Sagar. That is now named as Caspian Sea. So in my previous video I told about Kashyapa, who is a mind-born son of Brahma and married 13 daughters of Daksha Prajapati. So the Kashyapa married 13 daughters of Daksha Prajapati. Those are Aditi, Diti, Kadru, Dhanu, Arishta, Surasa, Surabhi, Vinata, Tamra, Krodavasha, Ira, Vishwa and Muni. So these are the 13 daughters which were married by the Kashyapa. So all the children of Kashyapa spread all over the world. So the region between now the Caspian Sea and Anantnag at Kashmir, that means Caspian Sea and Himalayas, the region between these two is called Hindu Kush region. Later the region is also called as Bactria or bacteria or whatever name it is called. By the ravages of time, this area is splitted into Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, etc. But the area, total area is called as Hindu Kush area, because earlier Caspian Sea was extended up to Anantnag. So the Caspian Sea is a huge sea. So it is called as Sati Sara, which was named after the wife of Lord Shiva, Sati. But during that period, this region is inhabited by Pisachas and Nagas. So that is why the name of Anantnag is still popular. So in those times, a demon Jalodbhava occupied this great sea, and he used to harass all these communities of Pisachas and Nagas. So those people asked Kashyapa to save them from Jalodbhava. But already Jalodbhava drank many of the waters of that sea, and only a part of the Kashyapa Sagar was left. So earlier there was huge waters up to Anantnag, but due to Jalodbhava only a part of the sea is left out. Then Kashyapa killed Jalodbhava and saved these peoples. That's why the Kashmir is named after the Kashyapa. So the name Kashmir the region is named after Kashyapa. So Kashmir means Kashyapamira. So that is why it is called as Kashmir. So the region between Caspian Sea and Himalayas is called Hindu Kush area, and it is a very sacred area, and 4 great rivers in 4 cardinal directions are originated from this area only. Those rivers are, so towards westward direction Tigris and Euphrates, towards southern direction Sindhu river, towards eastern region Ganges, and towards northern region Yangtze, that is Three Gorges River, which is flowing in China. So four rivers from four cardinal directions are originating from this region only. So this is a very sacred region in earlier times. So the civilizations of Indus Valley civilization also flourished here. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro were also part of this area. Later, many kings ruled this area. Gandhara kingdom came. Later, many kingdoms of Indian kingdoms also ruled this area. Later, Alexander ruled this area. So that's why it is called Greco-Bactria area. So the word bhakti came from this area only. So bhakti movement came from this area only. Some also believe that Aryans are belonged to this Hindu Kush area only. So that means Lord Sri Rama and Lord Krishna are all belongs to this area only. So this is a very sacred place for the Hindus. So viewers, keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel. I will present more interesting aspects to you. Thank you.